everyone you invited.
Subscribe, like, share, comment.
Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel Cocktails and Mocktails Factory. This is Amit, your host, and today I come up with a very famous recipe, and this is not a cocktail or neither a mocktail. This is a cold beverage and the name is Dalgona Coffee. This coffee has come recently in news and it's become very famous. Normally we used to prepare this type of coffee since last 8 to 10 years, but now it become famous, so now everyone is preparing. So I thought to give a try and to show you all how to prepare a Dalgona coffee with a twist of chocolate. So let's go for it. Let's see what we are giving. It's a very normal measurement, same equal measurement for sugar, coffee and hot water. So I am giving 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, with the same quantity of 2 tablespoons of sugar, and hot water, that is also 2 tablespoons. Now I am going to whip these ingredients to get a good frothy texture. So let's do and whip it. You have seen how I whipped the entire mixture and make it frothy layer. So it is already ready. I am about to start my final completion of this recipe. So what twist I am going to give is, I'll add some chocolate syrup just at the bottom of the glass. This I have given at the bottom of the glass. One more thing, you can have this Dalgona coffee both cold and hot. So I am preparing the cold version, the cold Dalgona coffee, which is also very soothing and refreshing. So I am prepared the cold one and I am using chilled milk for that. If you want, you can even add ice cubes. Now on top of that, I will give this froth. You can see so I have given the entire froth on top of the milk, and now finally some cocoa powder on it. So this is your Choco Dalgona Coffee and with a sprinkle of cocoa powder on top of it. So guys, I hope you will enjoy the video and you will like it. So just prepare this, have it and enjoy yourself.